Hi guys, so I'm back with another synthetic wig by Bobbi Boss. This one's really old and I decided to revamp her because I love the color, so I didn't want to throw it away. I'm recreating the JT side part bang look, the one she had with the red hair. Really love that look. And I'm just sectioning out the bangs now and cutting them and then curling them with on a low heat. And next I'm going to thin out the wig because it's really bulky and it's tangled and snags. So if you want to reduce the tangling, you can thin out your wigs. As you can see here, the difference. And this is all the hair I took out. So much. I'm just flat ironing her on low heat. So I want her straight. And I'm just going to set the part with the hot comb. And yeah, this is how she turned out. Love it. I don't have to throw her away now. I can use this wig over and over and over with the same look. Plus, I love blue hair, so it's a win-win. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.